Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tips tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change your voice in real time on Discord. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to open your Chrome or any browser you have and search for injectapp.org. Now from there, just simply search for voice mod. Now click the first one and click the start injection and just wait for a few seconds. Now if you want the app to be installed, you have to do different tests. This is quite risky, but if you want an app that is safe, just go to Play Store and search for this app. Now install it. And now in this app, you can change your voice, depends on the effect that you want to. Now you can go to your Discord and join the voice channels. And that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.